Now let's talk about the most powerful and professional way to insert photos in Microsoft Word. Instead of inserting a picture directly, start by going to the Insert tab, clicking on Shapes, and selecting a shape that fits your design. This could be a rectangle, a circle, or any custom shape. Once you've placed the shape in your document, you can freely resize, rotate, and position it anywhere you like. Now, instead of manually adding a picture inside the shape, follow these steps. 1. Click on the shape to select it. 2. Go to the Shape Format tab in the ribbon. 3. Click on Shape Fill, then select Picture Fill. 4. Choose from File and insert your desired image. With this method, you get full control over the image. You can move it anywhere without messing up your text layout. You can resize or reshape the image instantly. You can apply custom borders, shadows, and effects to match your document's style. And the best part, you can quickly replace the image inside the shape without losing your design adjustments. Why this method is the best. If you want your document to look polished, professional, and visually appealing, using shapes to insert images is the way to go. This technique is especially useful for reports, presentations, brochures, and even resumes, where image placement is crucial. So next time you're working in Microsoft Word, skip the time-consuming manual adjustments and use this efficient and professional method instead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.